What is up, everybody? We have a awesome episode, I think, today for you guys. We are out in the trailer working on it today. It is cold. So over the last few days, we've had a cold spell, warm spell, cold spell. It's like the weather's been like just on a hiatus. So we're gonna work on some stuff out here today and try to get some wiring done. That's why we haven't enclosed this wall yet, because I got a lot of wiring I still got to do for this, and this is all part of the 12 volt system that we're putting in here for the switches. I have this light here that we got to install, and that's going to go on the outside for a porch light and just all sorts of cool stuff. We are also going to talk a little bit about how well our heater is doing now. I know a lot of you guys saw some of the stuff from the last episode where we had to change the fan and all that other stuff. So far it's been working good. Knock on wood. Always do that, because you never know what's going to happen in the RV life. So stay tuned. So that's where we're going to mount it. We're going to mount it up in the channel. I bought it small enough so that we can do that. Door slam shut. So we're going to get that mounted up there. As you can see, we have some of the wiring already done, ran down here, and we've got it kind of staged up just for right now until we get the insulation. I got to pull the white wire back, which was originally the trailer light that was back there. We're going to repurpose that for the actual trailer, but for right now, we're going to get this all drilled out and get the holes put in, get this sealed up, get the wire ran through, and then get a wire brought down here so that we can start wiring up. As you can see, my voltage is only 10 volts. Pretty sure that battery shot, but we're trying to bring it back to life. If not, we're probably gonna upgrade and put a lithium battery in here, just for the boys, with the battery management system, so it's a little bit safer. And then that actually will help out with the RV too, as far as having some power. The heater has been working good. I do have it running right now, but with me opening and closing the door, we're losing a lot of heat, so I'm gonna shut it off. We're gonna knock this out real quick and get this wire ran into here, get it ran down to the wall, get everything finished up so that we can get these walls all finished, insulated, get all the paneling and everything put up here, get the lights mounted properly, and go from there. I've been in your waters. And just like that, we have a light on the outside. Now it does pure white. You probably can't see it in the camera, but we'll show you more later on tonight. But it's got two different modes. It's got pure white, shut it off and turn it back on. It's got an amber, to help repel and keep insects and stuff away, just for a nice little orange glow to it. So as you can see, super dark. That definitely lights up the area. So definitely super bright. And gonna shut it off and then turn it back on again. And that's the amber. Show the glow that's got that. So definitely helps out a lot with putting out some ambient light for the trailer. So that's pretty much going to wrap it up. It's kind of dark out. I was recording some of it out there, but for the most part we're going to get it wrapped up. Super easy light install for the trailer. Definitely a win for some outside lighting for that. We got more coming, and just continue to follow us along as we continue to build out this trailer and we finish up some projects in the RV. This is actually the new office area that we've got all set up. So once we get some of that stuff done, we're actually going to show you guys how we have this all set up for some of our recording and doing some of the editing and stuff. This was the boys' bed area. We've reconverted it into a little office area for us now. So yeah, see you guys on the next video. Peace.